You're not supposed to be in your manger. Get out. Get out of your food. Thank you. Hey friends, so I was just about to head out to the goats and give them some more water, and I thought they're due for a refresh of their goat dewormer balls. I've mentioned these in the past and friends have asked what do I use and how do I make them, so I thought I would show you. I bought, I don't know if you guys can see this, from Meadow, Goat Deworm A. It is a herbal concoction of mullein leaf, fennel seed, thyme, ginger, garlic, hyssop, clove, cayenne, and wormwood. And then you mix this with just molasses, and you basically roll it into a long, like Play-Doh roll with whole wheat flour, cut it up into little individual servings, and then feed it to your goats. Some goats really love it, like it's candy. Other goats, I have one that she despises it, so I've got to make her take it. So we're gonna make those today. I'll show you my process, and then we'll actually go out to the goats and feed it to them. Okay, so I don't really use any measurements. I just do it by how it looks. This is pretty spicy. If you breathe it in, you're gonna cough. So I'd say that's probably 3/4, 2/3 of a cup, something like that. So see how it's sticking together? That's what I'm looking for. And then, I don't know what size that is, maybe the size of your thumb tip. So I'm just gonna keep going till I get this jar full, and then we'll have like a month's supply of goat dewormer balls. Okay, well, I made up a whole nother 2 batches. And just a quick tip, I tried to videotape this, but the recorder got stuck. The whole wheat flour that you're rolling it in, just sprinkle some of that in your jar and give it a shake, and it coats everything really good so that they don't stick to each other. But we're gonna go out now and feed these to the girls. This is the one that likes them because they're in my pocket right now, and she wants them. You want your goat dewormer? Okay, they're right here. Okay, well the camera just froze up again. Guys, that's twice on this video. So Bathsheba loves them. See, she's just licking my finger because it's got molasses and stuff on it. So she eats it no problem, like digging out of my hand, trying to get them. Philia, on the other hand, is staying away from me because she knows they're disgusting to her. She does not like them, and she knows what I'm going to do. That is how I make goat dewormer balls. Now, I'm gonna leave the recipe and ish thing that I follow and where I get the herbal mix from in the description below. And I will have to take care of Stinker Girl in the morning, but you basically give it to them once a day, and it's a good preventative. It's not a treatment for worms, it's a preventative organic way to deworm your goats. All right, talk to you guys later. This girl is losing her winter coat. I keep scratching and scratching her, and all of her dander is coming out. I'm gonna have to get out here with a brush and really brush her down. Say hi. Hey Stinker, why won't you take your goat dewormer? Where are you going? Where are you going? Hey Kenny, I know you asked how other people lock their gates. So we keep the chain with a hook on it, goes around the post, hooks to the nail. Super easy.